Christopher, when we talk about windows, I think a lot of us, like me, love the look of wood. Is there a non-wood material in windows that looks like wood?
There is, and Marvin has that. Marvin has a material on the inside called EverWood. EverWood, it looks like wood. We can stain it and clear coat it like wood. But the really nice thing about it is that it's not a real wood material.
It's fiberglass.
It's fiberglass. And so, unlike a real wood window where you have the issues with moisture and condensation on the glass and such, and that can hurt the finish and everything, the EverWood material isn't affected by moisture at all. So even if you do have a little bit of condensation on the glass, especially in the wintertime, if for some reason the window gets wet or something, that will not affect the actual stain or the finish. It won't degrade the material, it won't mold or mildew or anything. So therefore, that EverWood material will retain its look for many, many years.
And I can pick the type of stain. Do I want it darker? Do I want a lighter stain? Just like I can with wood?
For sure, we can stain it any color. Where a lot of companies will maybe have pre-stained appearances, or sometimes you see some of the vinyl window manufacturers, they have anywhere from 3 to 5 different stained colors, and basically it's a kind of a contact paper that they put on that window. You're held down to those colors. They may or may not match your existing wood trim on the inside. That's a really nice thing about Marvin's Infinity product, is that their EverWood material can be custom stained to match your existing interior color.
I think years ago we saw some furniture that was simulated wood grains. This is not that. This really truly looks like wood.
For sure, yeah. It's nothing that you're going to be able to pick apart and peel off the window or anything like that. It's definitely something. It's actually cohesively bonded onto the fiberglass, and so therefore, in any everyday situations, there's going to be no way that material is going to flake off or peel off or come off, with heat or cold or anything. So
we have a lot of options. We're getting the fiberglass material. It's 8 times stronger than vinyl, but we can still have that look of wood if we choose.
For sure, yeah. The two things that we always talk about is strength and beauty. We talked about the strength of the fiberglass itself, the lack of expansion and contraction, which is really good. But really the beauty of that window really shines through. I mean, when Marvin went to make this window and design it, they wanted it to look like a real wood window, and I definitely believe that they got that done.